Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Destiny. So, some of you may know, and a lot of you don't know, that I'm actually in the Dominican Republic right now doing some makeup and videography for some artists out here. And though I think in my head, I thought that this is something that I wouldn't do, and I probably have even said this on video. This has been an amazing opportunity, and I've absolutely been loving the experiences I've been having here so far. So I just want this to be the intro to the DR vlogs. I'm going to show you the culture, the cuisine, the cuties, the bars, the beaches, and everything that I come in contact while I'm here, on a sabbatical. It's kind of like an opportunity to rebuild myself, my brand, my body, my faith. I've been in LA so long and I really just needed a break. So I just want to take the time to welcome you to the DR vlogs. I hope you love this journey as much as I know I will. Before jumping in, I want to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by Dossier. I definitely had to include them in this video because when I travel, I always want something familiar. I always want something to kind of tie me to a familiar place and time. And we all know that scent is one of the strongest ties to memory. And it just really can help you transcend time and space and just connect you to different things and people and moments. And two of my favorite scents from Dossier right now are Floral Jasmine and Powdery Hawthorn. They're absolutely positively amazing. The Floral Jasmine is inspired by a Tom Ford scent, and then the Powdery Hawthorn is inspired by a Chanel scent. Gorgeous and amazing, unique, and just statement making. If you're interested in more information about these perfumes, this company, I'll have codes and more information in the bottom bar. If you guys have been watching my videos, you know that I've been a fan of theirs for a while, and perfume is definitely one of my must-haves for an extended stay in a foreign country. The next thing I bring as a makeup artist who travels a lot is makeup I'm familiar with, right? You don't want to be somewhere trying new makeup, new colors. Fashion Fair has always been inclusive. They have an amazing range of products. Skin Flex, which is an amazing foundation. I love their lipsticks, the colors, the finishes, their multi-use. This makeup case is absolutely amazing. I got it from Amazon and it's so helpful, and I've used it for so many different types of makeups that I just feel like I'm gonna have to probably get a couple more because they're amazing and useful. Brushes, powders, creams, lipsticks, liner. There's so many compartments, and I really got a lot of use out of this so far. Not only to travel with, but if you're doing makeup, somewhere to set your makeup up and use it kind of as a stand type of situation, which is really, really useful as well. Next up, you definitely want to make sure you bring extra batteries and an extra charger. You want to make sure to bring all your converter cables, your card readers, and then extras of those as well. You're going to need a phone charger, a power bank. I love to bring something to keep my cell phone safe and dry, especially if shooting near water or anything like that. Press-ons are amazingly helpful when you're traveling abroad because you may not find a good nail salon, or one of your nails may pop off, and sometimes it's just good to be able to pop it right back on. A good cooler, because beach is life and we love to chill on the beach. Flat shoes and a small pocketbook. I have my small little bag, and then I have my big one for everyday life, but you're going to want flats and you're going to want a nice small bag. Okay, so those are the things that I feel I always need to bring when I'm traveling abroad. And then of course, working out is very important, not only to keep myself physically fit, but mentally. It just helps me to relax and get into a groove and to find my way in new settings and new environments, which can be very, very helpful. So this is me kind of just relaxing everyday life. I'm really enjoying my stay, and I think when you are staying somewhere extended abroad, it really helps to bring things into perspective. It helps you to realize things you may have taken for granted. And then it also helps to reveal parts of you that need less. And that is what this whole journey is about. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I did. One of my favorite things about this video right here, this chicken. And I'm showing you just some good, clean, quick chicken wings, and I made plantains. I made plantains to actually eat while I cook, and then I cooked some more to eat with my chicken wings. So these are the first ones I made, and these are tostones. They weren't sweet. I put salt and garlic. You fry them once, and then you refry them. I overcooked them a little bit, but it's okay because I love them crispy, and I just can't get enough of them. So far, this has been like a home away from home. If you guys are interested in these kind of videos, make sure you give this a thumbs up. Make sure to interact with this video so I know. Right here, I like, because I'm showing, this is why you clean chicken. Look how dirty that water is, okay? Put a little vinegar in there, a little lime, and got everything together. I'm thoroughly enjoying these plantains. Next time I film, I'll probably film live audio because I was talking a little bit. But all in all, this is just a new journey for me. And I'm really excited. And I love the fact that it's new and it's exciting, but there are so many parts that make me feel just like I'm at home. Like having my favorite perfumes, my favorite makeup, cooking my favorite foods, living in a home-like environment are all things I love. And then of course sangria. I found me a little cheap drinky drink, and things are going good so far. Just showing you my chicken, which you want to make sure you fold up so it fits better in the pot. Plantains, I made some sweet ones, I made some tomatoes, and before eating my food, I took another dip in the pool. Okay, this is all fairly early in the day, and I feel like I got a lot done. I feel like this journey is definitely going to help me step outside of my comfort zone, help me reevaluate different areas of my life and how I cope with shortcomings and, all that good stuff, all those things that make you feel so comfortable and cozy. So I hope you enjoyed this. As always, I want to thank you so much for commenting, rating, and subscribing. I'll be in touch, and hopefully you'll do the same. Bye, guys.